Hello beauties! Today I received my Teddy Blake purse. As you can see, it says Teddy Blake on this box. I'm just doing an unboxing and giving you my first impressions on what the purse looks like. I was approached by Teddy Blake and they said pick a purse. So I picked a summery color, which I don't own a pink purse. This is the first pink purse I will have. So let's see what's in here. Okay. Look at it. Look how, wow, look how it's packed. Really nice. Let's, wow, I can't see anything yet. This is the bag packed up, and I'll move this box. Get it out of here. They have it really packed up nicely. Okay. I've never had one of these type purses, so I was really anxious to see what they look like and how they're made. It's got paper and now it has bubble wrap, as you can see here. Wow. And the bubble wrap has Teddy Blake on it. No, it's in there. It's in its dust bag. All high-end purses come with a dust bag. And let's see if I can open it here. Ooh, it smells. I can just get the aroma of the leather. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this beautiful baby pink. It's just the perfect shade of pink. Isn't that beautiful for the summer? Look, this is the strap, and you can wear it cross-body. Let's see, and it's got the gold on it. Very pretty. You can adjust the strap to your shoulder. It's got a little tie in the front. So pretty. And the stitching on it is really nice. And it's handmade actually. Let's see. Let's open up and take out the stuffing. Oh, yes, it came with a wallet. And it has a little attachment you can put to hold your wallet inside your purse. There, you see it's a strap, and you just leave that in the purse. These purses come in several different colors. Very nice. Let me try to show you the inside. Just undo this so I can stretch it really well. Look how pretty. Okay, that's the inside of the purse. And at the bottom, it's real sturdy where it stands up really nice, as you can see here. And let's see. Oh, I love the smell of fresh leather. Very nice. Let's see, the little wallet has a wrist strap. You can take this off, like here, like that. And you can use this as a little wallet if you need to bring your wallet down. Very nice. I love the freshness of the leather, but I will be doing a review of this bag. I will wear it around for a couple weeks, and then I'll do a video of what's in my handbag. That way you can see what I put in my handbag. And I like how the name is not huge on here, that it's small enough to see, but yet not huge enough where it takes over the purse. But yeah, this is my new Teddy Blake purse. Very nice. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you guys, my first impression of what I thought about this beautiful pink purse. And as you can see, I really love it. I will compare it. I have several Dooney and Burke purses, and I do have some Coach purses, and I keep my purses forever. I keep good care of my purses, so I will be comparing it to my Coach purses and my Dooney and Burke purses. So we'll see how it works out. Thanks for watching. Bye.